In today's video, I'm going to show you how I set up my Insta360 Ace Pro to get amazing star lapses. Okay guys, you're gonna need a few things. One, you're gonna need your Insta360 Ace Pro. You're going to need a tripod or a mount of some description. I absolutely love the Insta360 multi-mount. It is amazing because you can literally just fold it out and then you have a little tiny tripod. You're going to need a power cord as well, and you're going to need a power bank as well. Now, the one that I use and I have used all the time is a 15,000 milliamp power bank. It always has heaps of charge left over, even after if I've run all night. All right guys, first thing you want to do is you want to get your tripod or whatever you're going to be using on a nice flat surface that you know it's not going to be moving around. You want to connect your Insta360 Ace Pro to the mount. I use the quick release mount, so simply just put it in and pop it in like that. And then next step is then you get your power cord, plug that into your camera, and then plug it into your charge bank. And that's everything that you have to do for your camera. Now, the other thing that you have to do, if you're in the northern hemisphere, you need to be facing north. Southern hemisphere, you need to be pointing your camera to the south. I have the compass on my phone, so all I normally do is just find where south is on my phone and then just make sure I've got the camera pointed roughly in the same direction. And so what that will do is that will make sure that we get the circle of the Starlapse in the middle. All right, once we've turned our Insta360 Ace Pro on, we want to go over and select Starlapse. Click on Starlapse. So we want to go over to our settings. So we just swipe right. We're not going to be in auto. We want to go to straight manual. Go to manual, and this is where we're going to be changing our settings. Now we want a shutter speed of 30 seconds. Then we're going to have an ISO of 400, and our white balance is going to be 5500K. All right, so once we have set all those, we then hit on the 12 megapixel sign, and we're going to set our video type. So as you can see, we have Starlapse video, Star Trails video, and Star Trails photo. We're going to be in Starlapse video, then we're going to be in the ratio of 4/3, and our duration is going to be set to infinity because we don't want to stop it. And then we're going to be in 12 megapixels, and we're going to have our timer off. And then when it gets to nighttime, guys, hit the record button and let it go. Now, I run my Starlapses for at least up to 8 hours at a time. I set them about at night, and then I come out in the morning when I've woken up, and then I go check it. And it will still be running with that power bank. So about 8 hours will give you roughly about 30 seconds of a Starlapse. If you want to pick up an Insta360 Ace Pro, there'll be a link below where you can do that. Everything else that I use, I'll leave links as well. If you have found this video helpful at all, please don't forget to like it and subscribe. It would mean the world to me. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. If there's anything else you'd like to know about the Insta360 Ace Pro, leave a comment down below. I will answer your comments. And until next time, guys, I'm Colin from AcePro, out.